Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to post a job in your Upwork client account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already switched my account type from freelancer to client type. And right here, this is the interface. Well, right here, we simply want to post a job. At the top right, you'll see a button like this that says Post a Job. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. Initially, it's going to ask you to select whether it's a long-term project or a short-term project. Select the one of your choice, and once everything's okay, hit on continue. Simply write your title for your job post, and at the bottom you can see something like job categories. What you need to do is simply select the job category. In case you don't find the job category you're searching for, simply hit on this button that says See All Categories and select the one. Once everything's okay, hit on this next button right here. Now simply add the skills that you're looking for, and once everything's okay that you have selected the skills, hit on next once again. Now simply click on the estimate of your work. Well, it's up to you. I'm gonna select this one. How long will your work take? Select the duration of your work. Now you want to select the level of experience you're looking for. Simply select whichever one you wish. And finally, is this job a contract to hire opportunity? Likewise, select the one that you want. Once everything's okay, hit on next once again. Now in this section, what you need to do is either select the hourly rate or the fixed price. Well, it's up to you. And once everything's okay, simply hit on next once again. Now what you need to do is simply type a description for your job. Simply enter it right here. And once you have entered it, what you need to do is click on this button that says Review Job Post. Once you're sure with everything, just hit on this button that says Post this job. And guys, that's it. That's how you post a job in Upwork client account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.